Hi, today we are going to view the method for filtering invoices due for payment. To do that, we go to Applications, Accounts Payable, Pay AP Purchase Invoices. On the Pay AP Purchase Invoices screen, you will see a box called Filter By. You can also filter the list of invoices that you're viewing using the quick filters, being the due date range, supplier range, or credit date range. We are going to choose a new filter set to use to look at our invoices or to limit the number of invoices that we want to see or rationalize the invoices that we're looking at. First off, I'm going to add a new filter set. And this filter set is going to be based on the value of the invoices that I'm looking at. So I'll say the filter name is amount due. And in this case, I come down to my drill down filters here, select the data source that I require. So this can either be based on the supplier, a purchase invoice header field, or a purchase invoice item. I want this to be based on the purchase invoice itself, and I want the amount due. So I'm going to say total due is greater than 1,000. And I'll save that. Once I've saved a filter, it's available to me at any time. I can use the drop down to find it and choose Apply Filter. So that has limited me to invoices that are only over 1,000. There are other ways of doing this, but it's just an example of one of the ways that we can do it. One of the most useful areas of applying this filter set is to invoices where we have some lines of an invoice that are payable based on specific criteria and other lines that aren't. In this case, I'm going to be looking at the location of an invoice line. And I've set up a filter here called Scotland. And if I edit that filter, I can see that in this case, I'm looking at the AP purchase invoice item, which is the line item, where the location equals Scotland. If I save that and apply my filter, you'll see it's limited my view to 3 invoices. And if I look at the first invoice, I will see that this is the location of this invoice line is for Scotland. If I look at the first invoice on the list, I will see that this has 2 lines, one for Scotland and one for United Kingdom. Total amount due for the Scotland line is 1,333, and for the UK line is 697. If we go back to the Pay AP invoices, I'll see that the amount that's been selected for payment is 1,333. So that is the line where the location has been set to Scotland. Other uses of this might be for specific projects, specific departments, or any of the other fields that are available to you when you're entering a transaction line in AP invoices. Any of these filters can be put together into more than one filter. So in this case, where I have a filter called Global Inc. Invoices, if I edit that filter, in this case, I'm using a supplier where their parent supplier equals a specific supplier called Global Inc. I can add an additional filter on here to say, I want this for any purchase invoice where the total supplier due amount is greater than, let's say, 1,000, and apply that by saving it, apply the filter, and I get invoices where the supplier is Global Inc. and the amount due exceeds 1,000. There are a lot of things that you can do with these filters. Use the tips and tricks on filtering option on the screen here to find ways of filtering. And also remember that with these filters, if I edit a filter, you can make this filter a default filter, and you can also share a filter so that the filter can be used by other users. Thank you for watching.